When I think about the most fun periods of my life, I can tell you one thing, they rarely had anything to do with money. I remember being in my 20s, having barely a cent to my name, and still having a fantastic time with my friends. And that includes entertaining as well. I don't think you need to have a lot of money to throw a good party or to have a good time. So I'm going to show you a very simple dinner party menu that won't cost you the earth. Moussaka, a bit of a salad, and a strawberry and cream millefeuille. Let's start with dessert. My strawberry and cream millefeuille is very, very simple. Just some store-bought puff pastry. I'll layer that into a tray and get my 3 pieces of puff pastry in there. I'm going to put another piece of baking paper on top. And because I don't want these to rise too much, another baking tray to weigh it all down. That'll go into an oven for about 25 minutes. When you've got a good plan, a dinner party doesn't have to cost the earth. We're going to entertain 8 to 10 people with just a kilo of mince, a few eggplants, a salad, and then a lovely strawberry and cream millefeuille. Let me start by cutting my eggplants. Just thin slices of eggplant, and this comes out of the oven. That's looking pretty good. I'll cool that pastry down, and it's time to make the moussaka. Now, do not get intimidated by your moussaka. It's very simple. A red sauce, a white sauce, and some eggplant. That is it. I'm gonna start with my red-ish sauce, my lamb mint sauce. I fry some onions, some garlic, brown the lamb mince, a bit of white wine, just a couple of seasonings, some oregano and some cinnamon, and then a couple of tins of tomato. Push that off to one side and make my white sauce, a basic bechamel. Butter, flour, cook that for a bit, and then I'll add my milk, just a little bit at a time. Season that with salt, 2 sauces done. Now for my eggplant. I'll just cook that to get a little bit of colour on each side. Time to layer the moussaka. I'll start with a layer of meat sauce and a layer of eggplant. The last layer is going to be my bechamel. That is looking good already, but I'll finish it off with a bit of cheese. And when this comes out of the oven, it will be a very impressive dinner party centerpiece. My pastry's cooled down now, so it's time to assemble the millefeuille. Cream on top, you don't have to be fancy with this. Now I'm using strawberries because that's what's in season, which means that's what's cheapest, but you could easily switch this out for whatever is your favorite or your cheapest fruit in the supermarket that day. A few last berries for the top, including some whole ones because I like the way they look, and I'll finish all that off with a dusting of icing sugar. There you go. How good does that look? I'm going to serve that with a very simple spinach, rocket and almond salad, an all-star lineup for a night to remember, and a dazzling way to impress for less. Moussaka, spinach and almond salad, and a strawberry and cream millefeuille.